Hey everyone, how's it going? So what am I working on now? Well, I'm working on a Jeep Patriot that got towed in. This bad boy right here. Something a little unusual about this one. It's a manual. Stick shift. So what seems to be the problem? It won't move apparently. So it got towed in. So let's see what it's actually doing. It almost to me sounds like it needs a clutch. So let's just see. Hang on one second. So, clutch actually feels okay, but that doesn't mean anything. So let's start this bad boy up. Oh, you hear that? That is a broken or a stripped out blend door motor or heat door motor or something along those lines, or recirc motor. That's what that is. This is actually a pretty basic vehicle. I think the only option it has is AC, because it actually has manual crank windows. Kind of cool. Alright, so let's put this in gear. I mean, I could feel the gears. Here's reverse. Parking brake off. And let's let go of the clutch. And I have absolutely nothing. I have nothing. Okay. It's got resistance because it doesn't want to come out of reverse. I'm going to hit the clutch. I hit the clutch. Now it pops out. So what happens if I try to put it in gear, in reverse right now? Yeah, see, it won't. So there is something there. I'm going to hit the clutch. I know it's hard to see, but if I hit the clutch, yeah, it pops out. Yeah. Oh, okay, here's one thing you can see too. I'm going to try to force it like this without hitting the clutch. But pay attention to my mirror and the ground. Okay, and I'm going to try to put it in gear. Can you see it moving? You see that, right? I was rocking back and forth a little bit. And all I'm doing is this. All I'm doing, I'm resting the phone on the door just so you have a reference. You can see it rocking back and forth a little bit. Yeah, it wants to move a little bit. The clutch is fried. It's cook-a-looked. Sometimes when you rev them up, they'll actually move. But the clutch is smoked in this thing. That's what that is. That tells me that the input shaft isn't broken. It tells me that it's not an axle broken because it wants to move. It just can't. It can't do it. So I'm going to want to get this thing in the shop. But I'm 150% confident it needs a clutch. I don't think I've ever done one on one of these, though. I don't recall. No, I don't think I've ever done one. It can't be too much different than a Dodge Neon, I would think. So let me see if I can't get this thing in the shop. She moved on her own to here. So she's trying to do something. She's getting there. Moving a little bit. I'm gonna have to push her inside though, so there's no way she's gonna make it up this little bit of a hill. But yeah, this clutch is cooked. Yeah, that's it. That's all she wrote. I know. Well, she made it a little bit. Alright, we're gonna have to push this thing in the shop. Alright, so I got the Jeep in the shop. I got it up in the air. I'm just giving it a quick once over. This way I can kind of tell the customer, hey, these are other areas that might need attention. And I actually don't see anything. So looking underneath, just giving a quick visual. I can see the brakes are still so-so. Front tires are going to need soon. They're getting close to the wear bars. Not terrible just yet, but they still pass inspection. You know, but just a quick general look over. Everything looks okay. It's not terrible. I gave the front end a shakedown. The ball joints themselves and tie rods and sway bar end links look okay. This shield, which has to come down, has lost one of its retainers, but that's fine because we got to take it down anyway to do the clutch. So basically, I just wanted to give it that once over. So now we got to see if the customer wants to do the repair. But we're going to find out. I'm going to give them an estimate. So if we get to do the repair, then maybe I can show you a video on doing a clutch on one of these things. All right, well, that's going to end this for right now. Hopefully you're getting something out of my videos. If you are, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.